Traveling the globe as an ISO 9001 lead auditor is exciting, but working with clients in different countries requires more than just technical knowledge. Cultural awareness is key to building trust and conducting effective audits. Here are 3 quick tips to enhance your cultural awareness before your next trip. First, research the local culture. Learn about communication styles, body language, and etiquette. For example, in Japan, silence can signify respect, while in Italy, lively discussions are a sign of engagement. Understanding these nuances helps you connect with your clients more effectively. Second, adapt your communication style. Be mindful of how direct or indirect you should be when delivering feedback. In some cultures, a straightforward approach is valued, while in others, softer, more diplomatic phrasing works best. Finally, learn a few key phrases in the local language. A simple hello or thank you shows respect and breaks the ice. It's a small effort with a big impact on building rapport. With these tips, you'll not only conduct successful audits, but also leave a positive impression wherever your work takes you. Safe travels and happy auditing!